So, Peter, there are some important similarities and differences in how the IRA negotiation is going to take place as what versus traditional HTA negotiations when they're looking at the goal of determining a price, particularly as it relates to evidence considered and the methodologies used. What do you think the key differences will be, and how will these differences impact that?
I think the big one is traditional HTA is typically done at the product's launch. Mm-hmm. So at the product's launch, we have clinical trial information, the pivotal trials that were used to approve the drug, but we typically don't have a lot more. In the Medicare negotiations, those will take place many years after the product is launched. Mm-hmm. So we will have a lot more information about these products, particularly from real-world data. And I think that's going to be a key difference. We might have additional trials that have been done, and that's certainly possible and probable even. But I think the Medicare officials who will be negotiating these prices will have information from real-world evidence. Mm-hmm. That means information about how products compare to alternatives, even if those alternatives were not studied in randomized clinical trials. Mm-hmm. There will be information on how these products are being used. There will be information on adherence to these products by patients in the real world. Mm-hmm. There will be more information on the safety of these products, which typically comes from real-world evidence. So there'll be a lot more data available to the Medicare negotiators. Now, having said that, because the real-world data is not from randomized trials, there's a lot of challenges in really interpreting it, trying to adjust for confounders, and that's just the nature of it. So the upside is you have just a lot more information. The challenge is, we don't have randomization, so we need to really worry about selection and confounding and so forth. Mm-hmm. There are other differences, by the way. The law says that Medicare cannot use QALYs.
Right.
So some HTA bodies use QALYs, some don't, but Medicare will not be able to. So now Medicare can use, it seems, cost-effectiveness analysis, mm-hmm. as long as they don't use QALYs. Mm-hmm. Whether Medicare will choose to do that remains to be seen. I think they'll probably be very cautious about using any kind of cost-effectiveness information, even if it doesn't use QALYs.